Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's super great having you guys here today, and it's really great to another video for you today. I hope you guys have been learning and earning. Also, I hope you guys have been doing well. It's really nice to do another video for you guys and also have you guys here to watch another video from me. So yes guys, so basically guys, what I'll be sharing with you today, I will be sharing with you basically how I've basically make some trades and how I'm gonna take a profit. So yes guys, also I'm gonna share you guys how I've basically earned some Stashoshis and the sMiles money making app. So yeah. So yesterday I did a short video just sharing with you guys how I do it, but it didn't have any sound. So I have the opportunity now to do it. So I'm gonna share with you guys how I do that. So yes, guys. So guys, before I get into the video, before I start anything, I just want to say thank you. Thank you so much, guys, for liking, sharing, subscribing, commenting, watching my videos. I hope you guys have been stacking Satoshis, learning, earning, and also doing well. So yes, guys, so let's get straight into the video. Firstly, I'm going to share you the sMiles account. So we're going to go in the offer, and then basically what I want to do, I want to show you guys how I earn Satoshi daily just by clicking a button. So yeah, so first what we're going to do, we're going to do the Fort Nakamoto, and it's very simple how you can do this. Okay, so firstly, I want to say to you guys that if you hear something in the background like a fan, it's the heater, my heater, because it's very cold now in Canada, so I have to have the heater on. And you may not hear it, but my headsets normally picks up sounds, smallest of sounds. So just want to say sorry for that. So yes, guys. So now you guys see I've earned two stats, and basically what I do is just on the Fort Nakamoto and click the the tower, like a tower, and they basically gonna shake and then they're gonna give you stats. Sometimes you may earn, sometimes you may don't earn. We never know until we do it. So we can do this every 12 hours. So we can do this twice a day. So just to keep that into consideration. So I have a next 12 hour before I'm able to do it, right? So now we're gonna go for the fortune wheel. So the fortune wheel is basically a wheel where you click the S, and once you do that, it's not a fortune wheel, it's a Satoshi wheels. Satoshi's wheel, yeah. And once you do that, they will spin the wheel and then you'll earn stats. Whether you earn zero or they basically will give you the amount that it lands on, and then that's it. So after all of this, you can see I have 12 hours approximately to earn another spin or another click to earn stashoshis. Now, once that happens, in on my balance, you can see the stashoshi I just earned. So let me refresh my page. So you can see I've earned by playing game, 5 stats, by doing the offer. It's pending. Both of them are pending. Like a lot of them are pending. And the reason why they're pending, they have them on the record, but they're pending because what happened is that they have to basically verify everything, right? So verify everything. Just make sure that there's no, because you know what, Stashoshi is very scarce, guys. They're not gonna let go of their Stashoshis if they don't understand that everything is very modified, done with integrity and all of that. It's not like some other money making apps that you can, like, yeah, you can just play around with and think everything is okay. They are very giving a key eye and everything. So yes, guys. So it's gonna take a while. As you guys can see, I started this a long time ago, and I've just gotten a few of my earnings verified. So once it's verified, then they will put it on your account here. So you can see I already have 12 stats verified, but I have 76 stashushis pending for them to basically verify. And I think it takes like a week for, so what you earn this week, it will verify next week, and what you earn next week will verify this week. So it's something like that. It takes time, but you can see that it's there and you can see that the process is basically working, right? So yes, guys, afterwards you can send your Satoshis off the platform to your address, to your wallet rather. Remember, guys, this is the same thing I explained to you guys with the ZBD account. When you're using the ZBD account, the earnings on the platform is not really there. What is there is just um your progress, right? In order for you to say that you have this literal satoshis, you'll have to claim it off the platform, the earning platform, and put it in a wallet. Once it's in a wallet, it is considered a satoshi. Once it's on an earning platform, it's just a it's just like numbers. It's not valid until you have it in your wallet. So even though your earning stats, the stats is not here. If you understand what I'm saying, when the stats is actually valid on the blockchain is when it's in your wallet. When it's in a wallet, it's valid on the blockchain, because stashosis are sent from wallet to wallet. They're not sent from wallet to earning platforms to earning platforms. No, from wallet to wallet. So what is here is not literally stashosis. So let's say you're earning here and you decided you don't want to use this money making app anymore and you close it. Don't think that the earning is here. The earning is still in a wallet. And if you would have take it off and put it in your wallet, it will now be yours. So I hope you guys have an understanding of that. I know earning stashoshis can be a little bit like mind blowing, because even yesterday I was talking to one of my friend and she was saying that she don't understand Bitcoin, because she's saying like, how do you send that? I even, because the other day someone sent a billion and a half dollar worth of cryptocurrency to Binance, and I was saying that you see how you can send $1 billion with cryptocurrency. And she was saying like, how, it's like she cannot. And I too, I understand it, but then I don't even, she's like, how, and I don't even know how to explain it. I'm me myself, I'm thinking, how do they do it again? But I understand it. So guys, it's gonna take time for you to understand it. I understand it, but sometimes for me to explain it, it's a little bit difficult. But when I was going to school, I have a physics teacher, and he always says, when somebody asks you something, you must try to explain it. Even though sometimes you might can't find the words, try, because the more you explain it, the more you yourself understand it, and the more you yourself understand it, the more you can explain it in different scenarios so that different people can understand from you. And that's what I do. So I try to explain. So if you guys maybe not understand it today, maybe tomorrow I'll explain it a different way and you can understand. So now guys, what I want to share with you today also is what has been going on in my Margex account. So I did place some trades on my Margex account with some cents and stuff like that. And you can see that the cryptocurrency market, the Bitcoin market overall is basically up today. So I'm gonna show you guys what has been going on with my trades and share with you guys some of my thoughts and basically how I see what's going on. So you can see the value of my account is basically $3, and I have majority. How can I show you guys wallet? Okay, you can see that majority of the money that I have, it's in Bitcoin. So I have around $5 in like USDT, and then I have basically just 13 uh dollars in Bitcoin. So remember, I transfer over my earnings to Bitcoin. So now that I'm using my collateral, Bitcoin is my collateral that I'm mainly using. So yes, guys. So I did play some trades the other day. I got liquidated. I'm gonna show you guys everything. Remember, guys, trading is not really what I do, but I understand it. I know how to do it, and so I just do it with a small amount of my portfolio. A very small, not even a 0.50%. I mean a 0.1 cent percent of my portfolio. Yeah. So now I'm gonna show you guys here so you guys can have an understanding. I'm not gonna use the like $100 or $300. Even though I understand it and I can do it, I just don't see the reason. For me, I just think that it's risky. So I don't want to do that. I rather just take that $300 or $200 and buy Bitcoin and hold it, right? So yeah, so I understand the concept of trading and I'm gonna share with you guys everything, right? So let's go over to my trades and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go here. So this is the Bitcoin market and my trades. I'm gonna go into my trades. Yeah. So what happened is you can see I have 9 position here of trades, and you can see some of them are 131 profit, 181 profit. So yeah. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go over to my offer orders so I can show you guys what I hold in a dollar value term, right? So yeah. So what happened is if I go to my position history, I got liquidated twice. So I was holding 11 position. So you can see I was holding a Ethereum here. Yeah, I was holding 12. Yes, 12. Okay, 12. Okay, 12. 12 position. Um, you can see the date on them, right? And I got liquidated uh 3 times. So it's now 9. So I'm gonna share you guys everything. So I got liquidated on a dot long. So yeah, I also got liquidated on an Ethereum long and on another Ethereum long. So whenever you're looking at the position, you can see whenever it says size and over the right and size, over the left it says size and over the right it says no, it says realize PNL. So you can see realize PLL on the left, and then on the right you can see negative 531 satoshis. Because the reason why it's satoshis because I use Bitcoin as my collateral. So I'm not using dollars to trade. I'm using Bitcoin as my collateral to trade. So I use 5,000 stars right here, and I lose 531, 755, and 539. So we're gonna add those up. So 2 5, that's 1,000, 1,700. So we're gonna say 1,800. So 1,800. I lost 1,800 stacks. That's basically around a dollar and 50 cents. Just say that, right? Yeah. And that's what I lose on my trade from making those trades. So, and that is since I start using Bitcoin as my collateral, right? Because other rest you can see they are basically not Bitcoin, they are USDT. So you can see margin USDT. You can see here at the bottom of the screen, margin, Bitcoin, 531. Maybe you're not seeing clearly. I can make the screen a little bit bigger. Let me do that for you. No, it's not getting bigger. So just say I lose 1,800 satoshis, right? Go to my position and you can see that I'm in profit. So I'm in profit and I lose 1,800 stats. I need to earn that back plus take my profit. So the thing when you're trading is until you take profit, you haven't earned anything. I want to show you guys something also. When you're trading, right? Let's say I go here. You have a funding fee and you also have a commission. You can see for my commission, I have to pay 2 satoshis. For my funding fee, funding fee 14 satoshis. How much satoshis I lose? It's 755. All on the bottom right of the screen, you can see everything there. You can see the commission, the funding, and the realized P&L. And the realized P&L is profit and loss. So it's either one or the other. It's either you have lost this amount or you have profit from this amount. So once you see that negative there, you have lost it. Once you see, for example, guys, this polka dot trade here, where you see P&L, where you see P&L, you can see I made a profit of 5 cents, right? And where you see funding, I have to pay less than, so I pay 4 penny, 4 penny for the funding fee, and for the, what you say, the commission, I pay 3 penny. So you can see everything there. Does it make that makes sense? Now what I'm gonna do, I have to make back the money that I lose to go even. When you're trading, you have to first go even, then you take profit. So 18 satoshis, I lost 1,800, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna close. You can see in dollar value and in satoshis. So you can see this Bitcoin, right, that I have here. So you can see the size. The size is basically $20, but I didn't put $20 in this account. What I put in this account is basically, okay, where do I find it? I put, where do I find what I put? I think I put, I would say that I put 52 stats. Yes, I think I put 52 satoshis. Hmm. I'm not sure how many satoshis I put here. Right. I'm not sure. But the $20 is not what I put. I put less than that, but what I do, I use a 20x. So I put a certain amount of satoshis and I 20x it. So they give me a value, a size of $20 just by doing that. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm gonna close the trades and I then take my profit. So I'm firstly gonna go with the money that I lose. So I'm gonna close this trade here. And I know that somebody must be saying, oh, why are you closing the trade? The thing is, I am not like you have to understand how the market works. When you are getting profit, you have to take your profit. If you don't take your profit, you go back to breaking even. Not only that, you will also go back to negative because remember I lost 18 satoshis. You remember that from the three liquidations? I have to go back, break even, and not only that, I still pay out a commission and I still pay out funding fees. So you understand that? And then I need to now take my profit. So before I even talk about profit, I will have to break even. So let's close this one. 100% max close, right? Close that. And then now we're going to start taking profit. So now we're going to take our 1,547 satoshis. So now we can say we start taking profit. So this is my first profit. The first one was breaking even. You understand? Now, this one I just did was basically taking profit. This is my Bitcoin Cash. This is my Bitcoin Cash uh, trade, and I'm gonna take profit here also. So I have a Litecoin. I'm gonna leave that, and I have a Bitcoin also here. I'm gonna take profit in this also. So I have another Litecoin, I have a Bitcoin, I have another Bitcoin Cash. So yeah, I have two Litecoins and two Bitcoins and one Bitcoin Cash. 5 trades open. So now we're gonna go to our wallet. And now that you guys can see my account move from 18 from $13 to $18. That's how you trade. You need to break even, you need to take profit. That's how you trade. Now, basically, I can leave those to run. If the market goes up a little bit more, then I close. So I'm gonna give you guys, I'll share with you guys something also. I hope you guys are understanding. This is just basically how I trade, right? If I go on my trading account, okay, let's go trade and let's go trade. Let's go charts. I'm gonna zoom in on Bitcoin, right? When I zoom in on Bitcoin, you can see that Bitcoin high Bitcoin have a the what do you call this now? A high of basically, and this is okay, this is a we're gonna go with daily candle. We want a daily candle. We're gonna go with a daily candle because we're looking at the higher time, longer time frame. So we want the daily candles. Just now I had the yeah. So you can see Bitcoin highest medium I think for the year was 73,700. We are at 71. It's a high probabilities if Bitcoin goes and basically hit the high, it's gonna pull back. So once it hit the high, you should, even before it hit the eye of the price, you should, it can straight through rocket through the eye, but once it does that rapidly, it will be coming back down rapidly. If it takes its time and go over it, maybe it will just slowly come back and then shoot up. But if you see it's just rapidly up, so somewhere here in a 70 something region, Bitcoin is gonna likely to pull back or likely slowly uh go through the eye or rapidly. So there's a pullback coming here somewhere. Don't know when, but it's coming. So I'm gonna buy back and that pullback. The market is already gone. I can I would not, I can, but I would not place a trade now. What trade I have is either I'm gonna close or I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna hold those trade or I'm gonna close. This is not time to be placing trade. It's either you're gonna, but people do it on a lower time frame, but I look at the higher time frame over time. Hope you guys get what I'm saying and hope you guys understand. It will take some time, so just to keep into consideration as well. So yes guys, so guys, before I go, just want to share with you guys, so now my account has moved from a $14 to a $18 account, and I have way more satoshis than I did last month, and that's just the key to everything. And I will continue to say this, guys. Remember the story of the hedgehog. Remember the story of the hedgehog and the turtle. Slowly, slowly, and you will win the race for sure. But trying to push and shove and force, you'll only lose, because with trading, you have to understand the concept of trading. The concept of trading is to make sure that you're earning more than you're losing. You're gonna lose. You're gonna be liquidated. You're gonna be stopped out. But once you see the opportunity to break even and take profit, don't pass up that. When I started, I was doing that. Because I would set a price, like I would set a price, a stop loss. I want to make $5 on this trade, and I will not budge until that thing. If it don't goes there, it will go back down, and I will just say, oh. When I understand the concept, there's a concept with trading that it will teach you slowly over time. The more time you get slapped, it will teach you. It will teach you that this market is not your friend. It's just doing what it's doing. For example, do you ever watch those? I think it's the guy, and he have a supermarket, and he sometimes let the viewers or the persons come on and cook. But sometimes before they cook, he will like give them a trolley, and they should go around the store and get the goods, right? I see some people, they're just taking down stuff, and they're like, oh, I don't have any butter. Oh, I don't have any seasoning. With trading, you have to pick what you really want and keep a eye on it. So with the supermarket, you have to know what you're gonna cook. The moment you go on the show, you have to know what you're gonna cook. So once you give you the Charlie, go in the aisles that you know. You need to get oil. Maybe you need to get butter. You need to get sugar, because sugar make everything nice, right? Even though I sugar is not good, but you know what I'm saying. So it's the thing with trading. There's a concept to it, and you have to understand it. The more you do it, not even just watching somebody do it. The more you do it yourself, you'll understand. I don't know if you guys remember, I did have it was a, I don't know what that app is called. It's a racket, a cracking, or I had a a trading. Okay, guys, this is the end of the video. So before I go, just want to say thank you so much, guys, for watching my channel. I hope you guys have been understanding, learning, and also earning. It's really great doing this video for you guys, and I see you guys in the next video. So yes, guys, so before I go, I just want to say, always remember, guys, never forget, keep smiling and keep shining. Bye, guys.